Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow hot chocolate. Start by gathering 2 cups milk, 1/4 cup cocoa, 1 tablespoon sugar, high-quality chocolate, and marshmallows. Heat milk gently over medium-low and whisk in dry ingredients until smooth. Add chopped chocolate for richness and stir until melted. Pour into mugs, top with marshmallows, and toast if desired for a golden finish. Enjoy a cozy cup perfect for any chilly evening. Gently warm 2 cups milk to just below simmering and avoid boiling. Whisk 1/4 cup cocoa and 1 tablespoon sugar into a small amount of warm milk to make a smooth slurry before adding back to the pot. Add 2 oz chopped chocolate and stir until glossy and fully melted, keeping heat low. Pour into mugs, top with a generous handful of marshmallows, and optionally toast them for a caramelized flavor and fun presentation. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting a cozy playlist while you whip up marshmallow hot chocolate, and it fits perfectly on any kitchen counter. I love asking it for timers and music while I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To switch things up, replace some milk with half and half, or add 2 tablespoons heavy cream for extra silkiness. Stir in a pinch of cinnamon or 1/4 tsp vanilla extract to deepen the taste, or add a few drops of peppermint extract for a holiday vibe. For a spicy kick, include a small pinch of cayenne. These simple swaps change the character while keeping the basic, comforting marshmallow hot chocolate you love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.